Hello! In this video, I'll show you how you can find and assign the karaoke songs in the teacher's dashboard. BOOKR Class Karaokes are great to develop pronunciation and bring a little bit of fun into your classes. Go to the teacher's dashboard and choose the karaoke section from the left menu. At the top of the page, search karaokes based on the title and keywords as well as the level. In the chart below, there are details of the karaokes. By clicking on the Manage Karaoke button, you have two options. You can check the details of the karaoke on its profile page. This is where you find all the information about the karaoke, and if you'd like to have a sneak peek, click on Watch Preview and watch the first couple of minutes. Let's go back to the karaoke section and see the other option. Select one or multiple karaokes and choose the Assign/Remove Selected option. A pop-up window will appear with a list of students. Use the search options to find a specific student or filter by class or level. Select the ones you'd like to assign the karaoke to and click Manage Selected. Here, click Assign Selected and the karaoke will appear on the student's My Books shelf in the BOOKR Class application.